Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from Kraken to bank account UK. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and access your Kraken account. So access your Kraken account and go to the funding section. Now from there, you need to choose the withdrawal option and utilize the search bar to locate your desired currency. Now from there, pick a funding provider from the available options in the drop-down menu. If you see only the one option, you can proceed with to step 4. Alternatively, you can follow the guidelines for funding or withdrawing funds using a TINA custody or signups. Now for step 4, what you need to do is you need to incorporate a new bank account. Then select continue and select all mandatory fields with your bank account information and press add bank account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.